Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is images and link in HTML. Earlier we have studied many things about HTML's rows, cells, style, tables, why it is required to have a table. We have studied about it also. Uh, so what we have done, we are going to revise it and we are going to study it also. So please, may everybody make your video visible so that I would be knowing whether you are able to understand the chapter and you are present in the class or not. So everybody, first of all, make your video visible. Okay. Devansh, Ujjwal, all make your video visible. Let's talk about, in previous chapter, we have learned about the various elements like tags which we were using. We have discussed about the tags and the different things we were using in it. Now we will be talking about inserting image. We can insert image in our HTML things because image makes the thing more clear. For example, if there's a just text written, you are not able to understand the things. For example, I'll just tell you the way to open Word is go on Start button, click on the Microsoft Office, and just click on Word. This is the way. But when I'll be going and I'll be showing you like I used to do that, I used to write the programs and you are just able to see it. So images play an important role. If I'm reading the book without showing you the book is of no use. Okay. So you can insert images and it makes the thing more attractive. There are two types of images. One is inline image and one is external image. What do you mean by inline image? Inline image is a image which is displayed when you open a web page और वो आप उसकी लाइन के टेक्स्ट में इंसर्ट करते हो. ओके. एंड व्हाट इज एन एक्सटर्नल इमेज? It is not displayed automatically, means you have to connect that web page, then only. For example, see, whenever I open I'll just clease it. See, this image is visible every time. This is my inline image, and when I'm going to click on some image particularly which I want to be get inserted into my things, that is known as an external image. Okay. So for inserting an image, your tagline is img tag. This is the tag which is used for your image tag. So there is a syntax for writing it. The syntax is that you have to write less than bracket img src, which means screen, or you can say that the attributes are used. एड्रेस ऑफ द पाथ मीन्स एड्रेस ऑफ द पाथ की मैंने अपनी फाइल कहाँ सेव कर रखी है, वेयर आई हैव सेव्ड माय फाइल. फॉर एग्जांपल, माय फाइल इज सेव्ड इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स, देन आई हैव टू टेल द पाथ, मीन्स आई हैव टू टेल द फुल एड्रेस फ्रॉम वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द image, from where the program is going to pick up the image. Okay. So this is the way when you take the image. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's now their next topic is specifying height and width of the image. For example, see, you all have seen the feature of zoom in and zoom out. From zoom in and zoom out, we define that I have to set a picture according to me, that how much image size should be there. Like I am inserting a image in a word only. Simply I am inserting a image in a word. This is a similar process which I am telling you. When I would be inserting an image, what I would do, I will decide that how much width I want. See, this image is so much big. I will decide that I want to make it this much small. I want to place it somewhere else or not. So this is the way when I just change the width and size of the things. Okay. So you can even do that. You can even align the image, means you can take it somewhere else. I want it to be the left side, I want it to be the right side. So these are the things which I can change. Now let's come to the alt attribute. The alt attribute displays the text as an alternative to the image. Sometimes a browser uses a computer does not display the image due to some reasons. Now for example, sometimes you are telling me that ma'am, we are not able to see your screen, and from my side I am sharing the screen. But what happens that when your network is slow or you are not having a proper network connections, then you are not able to see that screen, and else everybody is able to see the screen. So in that case, if you are not able to see the image, you can go for some other purpose also, that you can do one thing. You have to just put a text over it and you can save the picture in it. So when you will do the same thing in it, what would happen? See, this I have done. I have write that I want a center workshop.gif. I have placed the address. So what is it? When the network connection would not be there, or there would be little bit of error. See, if there is a error, then this kind of a thing is written that there is a network error. So because of it, you are not able to see the picture. When the proper network is there, you will be able to see this image. And when there would be a little bit of error, then you would be able to see. Okay, so this is the way you can do the things. Ansh, I have put the rename tab open. You can rename yourself and then let me know in the message only. Now, image in a cell tab. So we would be writing this program as well. Today I'll show you how to write this program. And after that, we would be setting a CSS and link. What is a link? First, let's talk about link and CSS. CSS is that you have to create a link between a web page and your things. Like I am writing a program here. I'll open a notepad. I have told you that we write a program in a notepad. We have to save it with the name of .html. So let's write with a program. I'll be writing the program and I'll be telling you different things also. Like you can add audio and video to your program. If you want, you can add audio and video to your programs, because this also makes the things clear. Audio and video, you know that when somebody is playing a video, you are able to understand more comfortably. Like Pari was telling me right now that, ma'am, when I want to do the things, I just open your video and I just go through it and then I can revise the things. So it is also a very good way to revise the things. So similarly, when you are understanding anything and you are able to see the video of it, then it is far more better than just understanding the things. Okay, till the time, wait. I'll show you the other pages also. This is your audio and video, which I was telling you that you can add even audio and video to it. You can insert a audio. Like if you want to add a video from the net, you can use a URL. URL is Universal Resource Locator. Okay. Then again, when we come to that, if you want a control, you can control the web pages also. You can play an autoplay, that whenever you click on that file, it starts playing. और after the you can put a loop का मतलब एक के बाद एक videos अपने आप दोबारा से चलने लगे. You can insert your own video also. If you have made your own video, then you can insert your own video also in it. It also plays a very important role. Let's go for writing of the program. We'll complete it and after that I'll show you. Please side by side check whether I am writing the program properly or not. If you find any mistake, let me know that, ma'am, you are making a mistake over here. This are the, I'm writing that what image I want at the background. See, this is my body which I'm writing, and even I'm writing the things I want, the pixels that I want, this much big pic. This is the things which I am writing. I want a picture to be in this much big. I'll unmute you everybody so that you all can just ask your queries also one by one.